Hey everybody, this is John. Welcome to Sunday night's video, which of course will be for the trading day on Monday. And as we go into this week, it is a really interesting week. You've got two indexes, the Qs and the Spiders, which came down to their 8 EMAs and found support. You can see there on the Qs, and then if we come here and we look at the Spiders, you can see the same thing. Essentially closed right at the 8 EMA. And then if you look at IWM, you know, that thing got crushed a long time ago. And then if you look at the diamonds, you can see that the diamonds are actually falling through as well. So we have two indexes that are in sell signals, two indexes that are holding support. What do you do in this type of situation? Well, this is the absolute perfect market for selling premium. And as you go through and you start looking for candidates, I'm looking exactly at the indexes for guidance. So I'm looking for stocks that are trading more or less in downtrends. So you can see here that Priceline is one of those that's in a downtrend. You actually got a big wedge setting up. And I believe there are earnings on this the week after next. So at this point, what I'm going to be doing is credit spreads, okay? Selling call spreads well above resistance and put spreads well below support, with the idea that we kind of trade in this range until we get into earnings next week, okay? And then another one that you can do this on, of course, is the RUT itself. This is, whoops, cash sign in there, and you can do this on IWM as well. But we're in decision mode here and looking for selling calls up at this level and then selling puts down here more or less at support. And as you're going through and you're doing this in a week like this, you know, one of the things is like what kind of candidates look good. Well, my favorite candidate at this point is Amazon. This is a great one. You're gonna have a lot of high implied volatility. It got crushed last week, but the week after, or the kind of the day after a big earnings announcement like that, and for Amazon it'll be on Monday, is the best time to sell spreads on it. Okay, because the implied volatility will be high, but the price action will actually be low. So you got both Amazon and even Facebook here with some opportunities for creating some fairly easy income to just pick off. Now, for those of you that are either newer to the game of selling weekly options, or you've been doing it for a while but want to learn more strategies about defending those trades and making adjustments in addition to finding them, we are going to be holding a spreads class on Tuesday night with Bruce. And in this, it's going to be from 8 to 10 East Coast time, which of course is 7 to 9 Central. He's going to be talking about how to generate consistent weekly income from credit spreads while managing your risk, the one weekly credit spread strategy for income that can add weekly income to any portfolio, step-by-step formula for setting up these spreads right away, tips for managing your trade for maximum profit, the specific adjustment technique that will give you out of a jam and make you even more money. And that's probably one of the biggest questions we get is on defending trades. And that's one of the things that we look at there. So Bruce is great because he will bring all the Greeks to this as well and just talk about how to do this and how to manage your deltas and everything like that. If you're seeing this class, you can actually still get in for $97. And again, this will be Tuesday night. And if you can't make it live, that's fine. It'll be recorded and posted shortly thereafter to look at so you can view it at your leisure, all right? This is going to be a great class. I'm going to be attending as an attendee. I love listening to Bruce get into all this kind of stuff and look at the Greeks and just see what kind of ideas I can get out of it. You guys have a great night, and I'll see you at the next update.